Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So I've been checking out the products from Manscaped lately, and everything from the actual Manscaped Lawnmower 2.0, which is essentially just a razor that you could use pretty much anywhere, below the belt, above the belt. I can show you right here. Pretty cool. Very quiet. The battery's been lasting really great. And I've tried it all over. Not going to show you some of those results. No real issues. Where you use a traditional, where it has both metal blades in there that move back and forth. If you're going below the belt, you can, at least for guys, I'm sure it's the same for girls if you try that. You could catch something or nick it, and then you got some bleeding that doesn't want to stop. So, probably can still happen with this, but not as much because it has that nylon blade, it looks like. So a lot easier on that region. I did use it on my back. I'm not super hairy. I can actually, that I can show you. So you'll see here, I didn't do anything here yet, and I'll just show you just real quick going across. But I did use it on my back, if you can kind of see. Like one of these razors, if you want to do it, or if you have someone else do it for you, it's not a big deal. I would like to see an extender arm so you could get all of your back. I had one of those in the past that I reviewed, and that was great because that was, like the back groomer, you could really do it. If you can reach it, fine. If not, you need someone else to do it. It did work really nicely. So I do like this. Very quiet, charges with their own wire. It actually ends right here, comes with a little carry sleeve, so it can charge in USB, and it plugs in the bottom there, so don't lose it because it is like a special plug. But kind of hear it running there, but just to give you a general idea of how it works. I mean, not bad. I'm gonna end up shaving the rest of this anyhow just for fun, but you can see it does a really good job, and it is really nice and quiet, so you could imagine what it's like everywhere else. So kind of just have some fun here. Just go right down the middle, kind of see like that. And as I said before, the battery has lasted a really long time. So not bad. My wife will be like, why the hell did you do this? There's hair everywhere. But anyway, if you really want to shave everything for the summer months or just for whenever, you can easily do it with this and really like it compared to some of the other ones that I've used that are just for, shaving. Also in the kit, we did have a Cologne. Not a big fan of it. I didn't really like it, and my daughters didn't really like it too much. I think it's just a little bit overpowering. I'm gonna put this on so you don't have to stare at me the whole time. I know it's really great to look at, but let's put this on over that so you don't have to do that. And I will finish that later. So anyhow, not a really big fan of the Cologne. It was too musky, just way too over the top. If you like that musk smell, then you go for it for sure. So some of the other items that came in it were the crop mop. I opened that up. So they're ball wipes for the most part. So if you're into sports or doing stuff at the gym or just need to freshen up, really nice. I think it had some type of, they're pH balanced, but I think it had some type of aloe in it or something. Active pH control. Let's see where it is. But they actually come individually wrapped, so that was pretty cool. Let's see. Yeah, there is aloe in it. So it was nice, mineral oil, just to use it. Not really at the gym that much, but I could see in the summer months just to carry it with you. If you're going to do that, just make sure you're in a place where you're maybe in a bathroom, do it, and wash your hands afterwards, because you don't want to just crop that and then keep on your way. Kind of gross. We have the Crop Reviver, Toner, and Refresher. That was also nice. You can just take it and spritz it down there, down below the belt for guys at least, and, feel a little fresh. Ball deodorant, so if you're finding yourself sweaty day, something like that, you got some nice deodorant. It's like a lotion that you could use. Comes out just like a lotion. Has a pretty decent, like an aloe smell. You can use it down below, or you could just use it wherever. I don't see why not. If you use it on your hands, it does feel like a little sticky. Like a little residue. I mean, it probably goes away after a while, I guess. But I would use it, on your arms or something like that if you really need it. Don't use it on your face. Don't need it like that. But that is nice. Has a really nice smell to it. I will say that. And then also we have the foot duster. So again, great if you're at the gym, working out, whatever. Spray it on your feet, kind of, you know, kill the smell. And it's just an antifungal foot deodorant. That's cool to have. So I like a lot of these things. This kit is really cool. And what I really like, it came with this nice little travel kit that says Manscaped. You can throw everything in there. And actually the lawnmower comes with, you know, a different size attachment. So you can do different lengths depending on where you want it. So you also have that option. And actually there's two in here. So you have two different options for different lengths. And then it also came, I have this here, which is a nice little tool kit to cut your fingernails or toenails. All this stuff is really nicely made, cool looking design, as well as even the cases, like this leather looking design. I don't know if it's real leather or not, but it is really cool. It says designed in California, assembled in China. Definitely comes with a lot of really cool stuff. You got like little scissors in here and tweezers. All together, you keep it right in that case. Again, really, really nice looking. Good quality looking stuff, perfect for a gift for any guy in your life, or even if you just want to get it for yourselves. So the only thing I haven't tried, which you're going to have to look for a new for a separate review, is the plow. So what the plow is, it's a traditional style razor that actually uses real super sharp stainless steel razor blades, where it comes with a few of them in there. So I have yet to try that. I'm kind of growing this out a little bit on the bottom. It says it's really easy. It comes with a little mirror in there. So I'm looking forward to it. Really decent heavy quality to it. I just know it's really sharp. I typically use an electric razor up here to do the shadow, but we'll usually cut it with a traditional, you know, razor down here and lather it up. So I'm looking forward to try that. Make sure to look out for our separate review on the plow. But otherwise, really, really liking the Manscaped package. And you can get different packages that include a lot of different things, or maybe if you're looking just for the lawnmower, and you can get it for, you know, various places from Manscaped, their website. Also, I've seen it on Amazon. Manscaped sometimes runs some really great deals on it as well. So check the links below here. And there you have it. So that's me checking out the Manscaped total package here, the Manscaped lawnmower, the crop mops, well, not the plow yet, but also like the sprays. Really cool stuff. Highly recommend it, and I really enjoyed checking this out. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this mess so I don't look totally or completely ridiculous, and we'll see you soon. If you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, share this video, click the little bell icon to stay in touch with us, and we'll see you right back here very soon.